Introduce yourself.
Hi.
Welcome to the Crystal Collective tutorial for the Mommy and Me bracelet kits. Charlotte, my lovely shop assistant, is going to demonstrate how to put together the mom bracelet. What beads are we going to start with first, Charlotte?
Golden.
All right. And where are we going to put them?
I'm here.
Yeah. Why don't you get to work? Show us how it's done.
Send this to Dada and Rainey's Road.
Send it to Daddy?
And Rainey's Road.
I'll show everybody the video. We'll put it on, how about we put it on YouTube? Should we put it on the YouTube channel for the jewelry tutorial so everyone knows how to make one?
Yeah.
All right. And what are you doing there? Just stringing one?
And then two.
All right. And you're going to put them all on the...
On there, and then the end is that say Mama.
All
And then
right.
hearts.
Let's prepare that here. We can lay it out for you. So when you're done with the gold beads, you can put them all in line.
If I have to go pee-pee, I can go in your bathroom, right?
Yes, we do have a public restroom here in the shop. You absolutely.
And anybody can use it.
Well, what does Daniel Tiger say about having to go potty?
I forget.
If you have to go potty,
Stop and go right away.
That's right.
Wash and go right away.
Wash and be on your way. All right, where are we at here?
Okay,
Two,
now,
okay.
and now I'm gonna add one more,
All right,
and then I'm gonna add some more.
okay. Making the Mommy and Me DIY bracelet kit is very simple and straightforward. First of all, I like to start out with a workspace that makes it easy and organized to see my beads. So when making these bracelet kits, I like to lay out the lettering first to make sure everything is right and right side up. I don't want to end up with a bead upside down or out of order. I also like to use a little cloth or a bead tray or some low dishes to organize my beads so they're easily accessible while I'm making the bracelet. As you can see, Charlotte is just trucking right along on the mom bracelet and I have got to catch up. So I'm going to start with the gold beads here and I'm going to string them just like Miss Charlotte. You're doing a great job, Chach. Are you having fun? Yeah?
Hey, Mama, look, this is all fade away.
I saw your henna had started to fade. Is it time for more henna?
Yeah.
All right. We actually got 2 different henna cones from not different, they're the same henna, but we got 2 henna cones from Miss Henna Marie from Tila. If you've been to the shop to a event where we have Tila out doing henna, you know how much fun it is and how good it smells. She makes her own from scratch, and a couple days ago she dropped some off at our house. It was really a good deal and such quality henna and non-toxic, and we did some henna on Charlotte's arm. And Tila, I had no idea how hard it is.
She wanted to talk to you, but...
She did. I know. You know what? I was working and I missed seeing Tila when she dropped that off. Did you talk to her?
A little bit.
Yeah.
And then she got it to me.
And then she gave you what?
The henna.
Oh. She gave you the henna cones. And then what? Then we put them where? In the fridge?
Or the freezer.
In the freezer. And then...
I don't remember what she said after that.
And then when we took them out, we... Uh-oh, runaway bead.
Can you get that?
You can get down and get it. Sure, sweet pie.
Whoa. This is trying to get out. I'm a golden bead.
Kind of a
Nice
golden
to meet
bead.
you. What's your name?
All right.
Golden bead.
I'm going to save this extra golden bead just in case we don't need it. We'll see. And I'm going to start by stringing the lettered beads, I'm going to start with the heart bead here. And the thing to keep in mind as you're stringing the beads is you want them to stay all facing the same direction. So as you string them, just make sure that they're all going in the same direction. Here, I started at the wrong end. Start with the heart.
I'm almost done.
And then the C. Ooh, I'm excited. Charlotte's almost done, and she's going to move on to her letters too. All right, let's.
Mom is a sick name.
It's the best name I've ever been called.
Mine is a long name.
How many letters are in Charlotte?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No.
Close.
That's it.
I think there's 9 letters. Here, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You're right, there are 9 letters in Charlotte.
I just have a couple left.
And 2 hearts. Is the heart an official part of your name? Is it Charlotte Hearts? It might be. I don't
That's
know.
my last name, Hart.
Your last name is Hart?
No, my last name is Lloyd. my last name can be Lloyd.
All right.
I'm almost done. I might need a couple more.
All right. And Charlotte is working on those. She's got so many more because the mommy size is a little bigger. She wanted to do the mommy one, and I said, okay, I'll do the Charlotte one. But however you guys do it at home, it doesn't really matter. If you want to do your own or you want to do your mommy's. But what I always do when I make a bracelet, leave it here because we might need it. And we might not need that many on here. What we're going to do is, I'm going to try this on your wrist. Can you hold your wrist out for me? Let's try it on. I like to hold it tight and then try it on. See, we've got just a few too many beads on there for Charlotte's wrist. I haven't tied it yet. I'm just tying it on, and I'm just trying it on, and it's a little loose. So I'm going to go ahead, take that off, and I'm going to take off the blue tape that was there to make sure no beads slid off the end. And I'm going to try.
And this is in real life.
I'm going to take. This is real life, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, let's try this now that I've taken.
Can you send this to Orion too?
You want to send this to Cousin Orion? Maybe we should make Orion a bracelet.
Yeah.
Love it.
Even though that he's a boy.
Boys can wear bracelets. Here, put your arm through and let's try this on again here. Ready? Ooh, it's still just a little too big. Show everybody at home. Little too big. All right.
Okay, now I'm going to start the knife. Can I start with this?
Take 2 more off. Okay, oh yeah. Now Charlotte's moved on to the letters, and like I said before, just make sure that they're all going on in the same order. So make sure that the same M goes on the same way. Let's try this. After you get that O on there, can we slide this bracelet on your wrist?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yep.
Let's try. Ready? Ooh.
Sorry.
Now that's perfect. So I include a few extra beads, but you can see that Charlotte's wrist needed about 6 less beads than we had in the kit. So we just try it on and then take it off, and that is a really good way. I'm getting a perfect fit. All right, so the next step in the Charlotte bracelet, well, she finishes up the mom bracelet. She's right behind me here. Is to tie a nice tight knot.
Hi.
Oh, you are ready.
Hi, it looks like a necklace.
I don't know if it's long enough for a necklace. So we have one little knot. We're going to tie it extremely tight. The key with these to hide that knot in the gold bead is to tie it nice and tight. And then we're going to do a second one right on top of there. See? And tie it down.
C-H-A-R-L-O-T-T-E. Salad.
That's right.
That's
All right, now we're going to set that down and we're going to show you. Charlotte, this is amazing. Oh, I love it.
This looks like a snake, kind of. A golden snake.
I love it. All right, I'm going to do the same thing I did with Charlotte's bracelet, which was before I tie the knot, I'm going to try on and see if we need all those beads, if we can take a few off. Some people like their bracelets tighter, some like them looser. This is I actually really like that amount of play in there. So I'm going to take the little tape end off, make it a little easier to tie a knot. I'm going to pull that tight. I'm going to tie my first knot.
Hi, Mom. I like my bracelet.
I love it.
This is hair, Mom.
Oh, that's the little elastic tail. I'm going to tie my second knot right on top of there.
Can I cut it off?
Yes, hand me the green scissors and we'll cut it off. We'll show everyone.
Can I cut it off by
At
myself?
home? Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Charlotte is going to show you how
I'm not
we cut the tail off with the elastics. Nice job, Charlotte. Good safe scissor skills. All right, perfect. And now I'm going to also cut mine off.
After you do that, can you let me have them again? It's
For sure.
More.
You got a little more?
Yeah.
You want me to help you with that final little bit there? Then we're just going to hide that knot in the gold bead.
Nope.
See that?
Perfect.
Mom. Just showed you wow, but there's Mom. Oh, the hearts went on upside down, but I love it. Ooh, Chach. Show off the camera. Show it to the camera. Love them. High five, girl. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.